Are you tired of sneezing and snuggling in a comforter that's seen better days? Well, it's time to learn how to clean that king-size comforter without ruining it. Washing a king-size comforter might seem daunting, but trust me, it's totally manageable if you know the right steps. So let's get started. Step 1, check the care label. Seriously, this little tag holds key information. It will guide you on the best washing method and temperature, ensuring you keep that comforter cozy, not ruined. Step 2, gather your supplies. You'll need a large capacity washer, think commercial size, as you'll really want that comforter to have space to move around. Grab mild detergent, a tennis ball or two, and some dryer sheets if they're your thing. Step 3, give it a good shake. Before tossing it into the washer, shake it out to ensure any dust or debris is loosened up. This little head start can work wonders. On to step 4, load it up. Place the comforter evenly in your washer, keeping that balance in mind. If your machine favors an off-balance signal, you might end up with soggy comforters on one side. Step 5, set the wash cycle. Select a gentle or delicate cycle with cold water. Hot water can lead to shrinkage or damage, so keep it cool. Now, let it do its thing. Moving on to step 6, it's all about drying. Once the cycle is done, retrieve that heavy beauty and toss it in the dryer. Add those tennis balls. They act like mini fluffers and help prevent clumping. Set the dryer to low heat and occasionally check it, as it can take a while to dry completely. You want it fluffy, not damp. Finally, step 7, the finishing touch. When it's done, give it a good fluff in the dryer and maybe a light shake to keep it cozy. Now you're ready to snuggle again without fear of dust bunnies or odors. What's the best trick you have for keeping your bedding fresh? Share in the comments, and for more tips and hacks, don't forget to follow us.